Hello beginners, welcome to this tutorials of Python. In this tutorial I will tell you that in this video I will tell you that how can you install Python and how can you tell that your system already has Python installed or not, and how to find out the version, how can you run Python code on its terminal window or some other editor. So let's start. First I will open my command prompt and I will type Python to find that is there any Python version installed on my system or not. So yes, it is installed and it is the most latest version, that is 3.8.1. So to check that either it is working or not, okay, I want to tell you that this is the print command. We can use print command by typing print, opening the round bracket, and then in between inverted commas adding any text, it will get print. So, and this is it tells that you are right now in the terminal, you are using the terminal window, and whatever text you will written here will get executed after you hit the run command or enter. So I will type hello and enter. So it will print hello. So exit. So luckily I have the latest version installed already on my system, but if I wanted to install, if I had some other old version that was Python 2 or any initial versions of Python 3, and if I wanted to install the latest version, so I just need to open my browser and I need to type www.python.org/downloads/ and enter, and then here this page will appear, and here I will click the latest version download button, and when I will click this download button, it will ask me to save. I will save that file, and then when it will be saved, I will run it to start installation. And before starting the installation, it will ask me that either you want to add Python to path. So I will click the option of add Python to path, and then I will start installation so that I can avoid the future issues of using the latest version. So likewise, if I wanted to install the Sublime editor, so I only need to go to its website, that is sublimetext.com, and here is a download button. I will click in and it will start downloading, and then you don't need to make any changes. You just keep everything default and install it as it is. I have already installed it, so I can't show you. So here, okay, now I will tell you how can you tell that your system is using your Sublime text is also using the latest version of Python. So in this build system I have already checked Python. So in order to find that which version it is using, I will first create a Python file. I will say, okay, what I will do, I will select this new file option, and then I will press Ctrl S, and then this is my folder where I wanted to save my file. I will name it as hello.py. Okay, and I will type import sys and print, it should be in the lowercase, print sys dot version. I will press Ctrl S and then Ctrl V. tell me that it is using 3.8.1 version. Okay. If okay, now I will tell you. Now this file has been saved. If you want to know the file location, then you can ask for open file folder, and it will tell you here your file is installed. So you can simply copy this path using Ctrl+C or copy, and what you need to do is to open it. Just paste it here, paste the path here, and open it. So if I wanted to run it using my terminal windows, so how can I do that? So for that, first I need to copy this path, and then what I need to type is cd space paste the path. Okay, and now what I will do, I will type dir to find the files, and it okay, it tell me one file, that is hello.py. Now what will I do? I will type python since we already know we are using the latest version, so we don't need to find the python version. I just type python space hello dot py. Since my code was to find the version of the latest Python, here it is. I really hope that you find this video useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, and if you have any curious regarding anything, regarding the installation of anything, or about the code, or any other question pop up in your mind, then please mention it in the comment box. I will surely reply you as soon as possible. And also please subscribe to my channel, because I'm newbie, so I really hope you will hit that subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon. Thank you.